Here are some ways to reduce noise on a microphone in Windows 10. 1. Use Windows Tools. Click the Recording tab. Select your recording device. Click the Devices Levels tab. Reduce the boost that Windows gives to your mic. Tick a box for noise suppression. 1. Eliminate or move away from background noise. Close windows. Move away from air vents. Go to less noisy rooms. Close applications that are causing your laptop's fans to whir. Move your microphone farther away from your mouth. 1. Adjust microphone settings. Adjust Windows sound settings. Test the microphone after each adjustment. 1. Disable audio enhancements. Select the microphone you are troubleshooting. Click Properties. Open the Enhancements tab. Disable all enhancements. Click Apply. 1. Check microphone privacy. Go to Settings, Privacy. Confirm that apps can access your microphone.